In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Noindex category pages in Rank Math. If your WordPress site uses categories to group posts, those category archive pages can create a lot of near duplicate listings. No-indexing them tells search engines not to include those archive pages in results, helping keep your index content focused on high-value pages like posts and core landing pages. This does not delete anything on your site. It simply adds a directive that search engines understand. To begin, open your browser and head to rankmath.com. This is the SEO plugin we'll be using. With that in mind, move into your site's admin area where the plugin is active. In the left-hand menu, click Rank Math SEO. This opens Rank Math's main settings where you'll find all the global controls for how your site appears in search. Next, select Titles and Meta. Think of this section as the command center for your site's metadata. It's where you can configure how titles, descriptions, and robots directives are applied to different types of pages and archives. Inside Titles and Meta, click on Categories. This area controls the behavior of the category archive pages, the ones that list posts assigned to each category. Adjusting settings here affects only those archive listings, not the posts themselves. Look for the option labeled Category Archives. Robots Meta. Enable No Index. Turning this on adds a Meta Robots directive to your category archive pages that instructs search engines not to index them. Your category links and navigation will still work for users, and your individual posts remain indexable. You're simply preventing the archive listings from crowding your search results or diluting relevance. A quick tip as you toggle this: you're targeting Noindex, which is different from nofollow. Noindex removes the archive page from search results over time, while nofollow would affect how links on that page are treated. For most sites, Noindex is the right move for category archives, and you can leave follow in place so link equity still flows to your posts. Finally, click Save Changes. That's the key step that applies your new setting across all category archive pages. From here, give search engines time to recrawl your site. It may take days or even a few weeks for the change to be reflected in search results, depending on how often your site is visited by crawlers. And that's it. You've just navigated to Rank Math SEO, opened Titles and Meta, selected categories, enabled No Index under Category Archives Robots Meta, and saved your changes. Your archive listings are now set to stay out of the index while your posts continue to be discoverable.